So here's my app. We have trivia quiz I created. This is my logo trivia quiz with the logo on it. Splash screen trivia quiz. So the first thing that pops up is this pop-up trivia quiz instructions button, start quiz. So right here we have the question that we're on. We have the timer that's going down for 1 minute, and then we have the question, the logo, and then the 4 different buttons of options we could choose from. So this first one was Baby Yoda's real name. We have Grogu. It tells me I have a correct answer. So what is the largest animal on Earth? So if I get this wrong, say I put Falcon, it will tell me, oops, incorrect answer, try again. So for this one, I'll get this one right. Next screen, quiz over, amazing, got 2 points. And then if I just close this one, it brings me back to the main menu. There's my logo. All right, over here, we have the manifest. So we have the inner workings of it. So we have the launcher. We have the style, the theme, the quiz screen, the splash screen. And then if I go to the next class, we have the question model. I took one similar off the internet and reworked it to my format. Here I have option A, B, C, and D. So I have the four options to choose from. I have the questions, and then I have the answer. So for this, we have the different options you could choose from for that. So that's the whole questions model. Next, we have the quiz screen. For this, we have the different buttons and all that, the countdown timer on here, the instructions right here, the saved instance, let's see, in array. So we have the question model, all the strings we have in it, so all the questions and the options that we could choose from. Binding the hooks with the views. Again, the question saved in string and resources. Comparing selected option or corrected option. So basically, if you press the right one, it'll give you the correct answer, or it'll tell you got the correct answer. You press the wrong one, it'll tell you got the incorrect answer. Here's the countdown timer setting. So we have it from 1 minute. So we have this counting down. I chose an option from the internet and I got it from there. And then this one, after you choose the correct answer, it'll bring you directly next to the next one. And then it'll tell you the final answer, or tell you how many you got at the end. You know, we had to bring back all the options again. Here we have the given options. Splash screen. We have the timer delay. Yeah, it's just a basic one with the logo on it. Brings us back into the main program itself afterwards. You have the build config. All right, this is the background. So I have this blank white background to start out. Then I have this blue one, which is the blue one for this. I have the timer logo into the res drawables. I have this green one for the app icon along with the Android. Then I just switched it into the trivia quiz. And I got this white border for the question border right there. Then I have the fonts. You have the dummy coding for the fonting. Activity main. So we got just simple activity main. So it looks like this with the logo. The quiz screen. This one was probably the toughest one, trying to get it going. We have to have all the margins and the length and the height of where we want it. So this is an example of what it looks like. the alert. So this one is the instructions, the very first thing that we see right here to the right. So this is the first thing that pops up once you get into the app itself. Simple as the other one. Score dialog. This is the very end part. This is the one where it does the math, or this is where the design after. And then time over. And then we have the logo and the foregrounds, the rounds, the colors, string. So this is the actual input of all the things that we have in the app itself, such as where I type in Baby Yoda or what the questions are. So this is where the strings are to be called back into the activity itself. The themes, nothing really there. That's basically it. Here's the final product. So if I get this all right, so Grogu, sperm whale, and 24. Amazing. You got 3 points. Close. Final part of the app.